Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Alright, let's do it. We are at the start of the Railway Heritage Trail. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start here and go all the way to Sars Valley, Mount Helena, and then we're gonna turn back and come down here this way. It's about 40 k's. Anyway, subscribe, follow us on the journey. Let's do it. Alright, the trail starts with a ride through a children's playground. It's a cute little place to go when you have kids, and they can do a little bit of the trail on their little bikes too. It's super easy at this point and it never gets hard. Just thought I'll say a few things about this channel. It's not a dedicated channel for cycling or for other things. It's about exploring the world and enjoying the journey. Just some nice scenery, still suburban, nice backyards, or nice in the rustic kind of way. Everything is quite well marked. Even if you have to cross the road, the sign on the other side of the road tells you where the Heritage Trail continues, distances and everything. Good morning. That lady with a bright smile, fluffy dog, and a high-vis haircut. It's always good to be seen, unless you want to be sneaky. Hope you guys can see it. I should know the name of this creek. Is that Darlington Creek? Maybe. Wow, what a nice little place. It's all right. It's a bit noisy, sorry. We are at the Munda Biddi Trail northern terminus. It's about 20 k's from my home, and this is where the big adventure officially starts. In October we'll be doing the Munda Biddi Trail north to south, end to end, taking it slow. So please subscribe, follow the journey. It should be a lot of fun. It should be something new, something we've never done before. If you do have questions about what you'd like to see on the Munda Biddi adventure, write it in the comments. So if there's any challenges that you want us to do, we'll try that. And yeah, let us know. Should be fun. So we got to Crossroads here. The Heritage Trail loops back westward down the hill to the left, or we can continue or turn right and go to Chidlow and check out the beautiful Lake Leschenaultia. I think we'll leave that for another day, because today later on I still got a road bike ride with Michelle. So I want to give myself time to have lunch. What a wonderful day it is today, isn't it? And we see here, if we're going the opposite way, this is where we turn right to head to Mundaring and then down to the southern part of the loop. All right, let's keep going. And there's a little pub here. I haven't seen it, I haven't been in there, but it looked pretty cool last time I rode through here. Mount Helena Tavern. Oh yes, that would be nice to stop and have a nice pint of beer on a beautiful winter's day like this. But we also will leave that for later and continue now downhill. It's a very slight gradient, but downhill with a bit of a tailie. We're going to take it easy and enjoy the sights, check out the waterfalls. Yeah, the great thing is that the scenery keeps changing all the time. Yes, it's trees and trail, but it's you know, rocks and different types of trees. Vegetation changes slightly. I'm not an expert, but it's just very pleasing. It never feels like a slog. It's always pretty. I don't know how to ride these things, but I thought I'll try. Give this a go. Is this a playground? This is a children's playground in the middle of nowhere. You know, you know, your local government's doing well, your local council has a lot of money, and they put a playground here. It's a good thing, don't get me wrong, it's a good thing. I reckon it would be, it's cute now, it would be pretty creepy if it was like gloomy, rainy, foggy day, night even, haunted playground. I wonder whether there are haunted playgrounds out there. Not that I would want to visit, but it would be good to know. Ovia Falls. Gorgeous place. Amazing. Beautiful. Oh wow, isn't this gorgeous? Now, I don't have that much time today to actually go down and explore, but very soon we'll come down here and definitely go and explore, maybe even hike with the kids. Just amazing. This is an absolutely gorgeous little path between the rocks, leading us inevitably to the end of the trail, which is also a good thing because my battery is about to die. So my battery has died, and I wasn't going to worry about changing it because it's almost end of the ride, but I really wanted to indulge everyone in this beautiful view. It's middle of winter, it's August. Western Australia has had a lot, well, Perth has a lot of rain recently. It's beautiful, balmy 20 degrees. Summertime for most European countries, Central European anyway. Wow, look at that, just lush green at the moment. In summer this is all dry. and really hot. At this time of day you wouldn't even want to be here, but what a beautiful part of the world we live in. For those playing at home, these are grass trees. They're very plentiful here, very typical for this area, and it's just really lovely to see so much green here, because yep, I guarantee you in summer there ain't none around here. This is all dry. Of course the trees remain green and the bushes, they're hardy. All right. Thank you for visiting Jones Forest National Park. Well, that brings us to the end of our video today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give this video a like, and follow us on more adventures, exploring the world and marveling at its beauty. Till later, bye.